everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Chocolate chip cookies. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: vanilla extract, self-rising flour, unsalted butter, chocolate chip, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and an egg.
So you're making my favorite cookie today.
Yeah, chocolate chip. This is a quick and easy dish to make if you want something sweet. It's so simple.
Classic.
Yes, now the first thing is we're going to put the butter. Then I'm going to use a hand mixer and mix the butter. Now we're going to add the sugar, granulated sugar and brown sugar. And we're going to whip this up with the butter. Now we're going to add the egg.
Would you say this is an easy cookie to make?
Yes, it is. And it's very quick. And also, the self-rising flour makes it more quicker and easier. You don't have to measure out the baking powder or the baking soda. It's already in the self-rising flour and the salt. Now I'm going to mix the egg and the vanilla extract. Then I'm going to take a spatula, a rubber spatula, and push down the sides of the bowl. Now I'm going to add some flour, a little at a time. Now I'm going to add some more flour.
Also, everybody, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and make sure to check for those ingredients in the description box below.
Now we're going to add the rest of the flour. Now we're going to add the chocolate chip to the bowl. Now, after we done mix this all up together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for an hour. I have a cookie scoop here, and I have a baking sheet pan lined in parchment paper. Now, I'm going to scoop the cookie out and add it to the baking sheet.
That cookie scoop also works as an ice cream scoop too.
Yes.
But you know something? People actually pay for the cookie dough by itself so they could put it in their ice cream or eat it as is. That's how popular chocolate chip cookie dough is. They pay for it and eat it just by itself like this. You even got chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream.
Not putting them too close together. You're supposed to be 1 inch to 2 inches apart.
You said they should be 1 inch to 2 inches apart?
Yes. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. We're going to bake these for about 11 to 12 minutes. Here you have it, chocolate chip cookies. Quick and easy. Enjoy. I think I would like for you to try a piece.
Let me try a piece of the chocolate chip cookie. That came out perfect. Just like the supermarket own. Tastes just like it. This is a perfectly baked chocolate chip salt baked chocolate chip cookie. I taste the butter, taste the chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and they are very good.
If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.